woman look like she wants to cast a spell on this one.
Marry the doctor now. Don't sit there and wait on a divorce. Sort that out later.
Arawak77 replied to reader woman.
You're telling me you would want this woman to marry your doctor's son, when he can instead go find a childless woman with none of this drama? Make it make sense, woman.
Lady D replied to Arawak77.
Just because a woman is childless, it doesn't mean she is a right fit. Okay. Drama? There won't be any drama because the children won't be here for a while. Plus, the prospective husband is thousands of miles away.
Florence May replied to reader woman.
Are you serious? Have you ever heard of the word bigamy? Do some homework and then revise your comment.
Hey guys, I saved you the trouble of looking up that word. Bigamy is the offense of marrying someone while already married.